In this video, I'm going to show you how to post your service learning deliverables and your service learning poster. To get started, you want to be logged into your online portfolio, which I already am, and we are going to make a service learning project page. So I'm going to come down to the lower right hand corner and select New Page, and I'm going to call this Project 3 Service Learning. Then I will choose Done, and now I have a new page. So I'm going to come up here to Insert, and we want to add your deliverable and a little explanation of what you did. So I'm going to choose Text Box. I think I'm going to use actually a layout. So if you look below here, there's layouts with pictures and text. I'm going to go ahead and click that one, and then I'm going to delete this text box I added here. I'm going to add a picture of the flyer I used to advertise my project by choosing this plus sign and from Drive, and I'm going to click the search button, and this is sample flyer, which is what I titled my flyer, and I've got two different ones here, so I'm going to choose this one and I will select Insert. So there you can see my sample flyer. Next, I'm going to click in this little header area and call it Project Description. And then I'm going to add information about my project. And then you'll add any other descriptions or anything else you want to say. It might be good to talk about, what your results were or what you came up with. Other things you might want to add in this area, you could choose your image from your Dropbox that is maybe your donation box, and let's add some more text, and we could call this area Project Results. Actually, let's make these into headings, that way they're a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to add another text box, and I'm going to move it below Project Results, and so I can discuss, what came of my project. And so that's what your service learning project description is going to look like. Next, we need to add the space for your poster. To add my poster, I'm going to come to Pages, and I'm going to hit the plus sign again down at the bottom. I'm going to title this Project 3 Poster. I'll select Done. And I actually want to nest this underneath so it shows that these two are together. So I'm going to click on where it says Project 3 Poster. I'm going to drag it on top of the Project 3 Service Learning page. So now you see it's nested. Now I want to add my poster presentation. So I'm going to come to Insert and Drive, and I'm going to come up here and type in Poster. I will click on my poster presentation and select Insert. And here you see my poster presentation. I'm going to drag this out so it fits the page. I'm also going to drag this down so it fits the page. And so now you can see my whole poster. Once I've got all that done, I'm going to go ahead and click the blue Publish button, and I'll go ahead and select Publish again. And we're publishing. And then finally, we're going to go to View Published Site by clicking the down arrow to get the menu bar next to Publish. And this will let us double check our work. So here I can see my poster presentation, and can see my Project 3 Service Learning project. And I actually have this in the wrong area, so I'm going to come back, go to Pages. I want this to be in my 1101 spot, so I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click and hold down and drag it up to English 1101, and I'm going to drag it underneath Project 2. So there I've got those projects moved. I'm going to choose Publish one more time. And that is how you add your poster and your service learning project to your online portfolio.